with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, Miss Baby, careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Okay, Paris, welcome back to another In the City Backyard Debbie Deb's train video. In today's video, I am going to be making again on the outside, as I tell you. And today is even another hotter day. I'm gonna be making on the course of me gonna make some red pea soup. Been feeling from that for about a few days right now. So I'll catch a fire and I'm gonna show you. Time is hot. I hope it will work. Like I'm used to tell you. So we just ball up the paper. And I'm gonna be making the red pea soup. I'm gonna make some rice because the time I threaten for rain. So I hope say. So I tear off, you see the thinner part of the paper. You see that little part here? Yeah. So, and I'm gonna make it into a ball. Gonna put it into the middle. Right here. I don't have no kerosene oil, no gas, no what have you. I guess I may have whole heap of, but them something they foam here, I'm not use none. I really hate the foam. And I really like the chemical them will come out of the foam. So I light it right there. It'll take a little time, you know, but I try for show you say. That's how we used to do it back then. As I tell you, say sometimes it does take a little time. Yeah, so I have the thing ball up. Yeah. So at this point now, we're supposed to have some bramble, which me never look at. So let's see if I find some. Okay, now family, so let me get some of the little bramble. This is what we call bramble. You see how them a break on a pie? That means that them extra dry. You know? You hear them? Yeah. I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna put a little more of the paper over it. You don't want to crowd it out too much at first. The kind of fit out it, you know. So you make it stay there because the sun hot and dip on it. Yeah. And then me have this now. Where me go start fan it. Me have a piece of paper here, so. I'm going to start fan it. As I tell you, so sometime, yeah, because there's fire underneath. You see it? Sometimes it takes a little time. Depending on if the paper cool, if the time hot. Sometimes the bramble them cool, you know. But that way I do. So, me personally don't like the foam thing and the plastic, you know. Because it's the chemical way it releases, you know, it's worse than the kerosene oil. I don't mind the kerosene oil, you know. If I have me just use it and catch it. And then the kerosene oil can burn off like a but you see that foam there? With them sitting on them chemical plastic for them have some sitting there, some toxin for release. I can't tell the smell of them. Even though you make it burn off still, you know. So I'm using this. And you don't see me use no kerosene oil. You never catch it so yet? Talk to me, boy. I'm in the country. And I must say, I just want to say thanks for the feedback. Because some people really said, Debbie, yes, somebody commented and said for them people that have shop, sell kerosene and then couldn't go use none. Yeah, go on. You know, you see it catch now as it catch. You try to put, this is how you catch it. You don't put a lot one time, you know. You just take your time and go around it. This is the expertise. This is kind of expert. So Dad said no, he never catch it so yet. And this is like something where we do. We catch it, we do this so often in our country. You know? Yeah. We couldn't go take out the little kerosene oil. So what is happening right now, you know, you take time and build round the fire. You know, put no oil on the top here till you get a sort of heart. My mother call it heart at the fire. You must have a heart at the bottom where you know it catch. And then you start packing your coal or your wood or whatever around. Yeah, man. So you watch it. Time hot, you know, and the paper, them are hot. We did when we get the box, them and them something there and so. Shop and stuff, the Betty milk box. Yeah, man. And sometimes you go throw a little kerosene and you did it, you know where you do and have no expertise at catching fire. You just throw a whole heap of kerosene and guess what? I'm mad, my mother get mad. You hear that? As me tell you, it takes a little time. Sometimes it catch quick, sometimes it not catch quick, depending on what you're using. And sometimes, I guess, I don't know, but sometimes it's just more than some, just as anything else in our life. So you take your time and fan it. Alright, so it's like we're almost there, because whereas if you're cool good too, you know, or your wood, we do it the same thing with the wood fire. So at the end of it, when that paper burn out, right now you not have no toxin in it, you not smell no toxin unless I know paper, I know coal them, you know. These days all kind of something, everything just change. But I'm showing you that you can easily catch this wood fire without no gas. Personally, nobody now catch me using gas catch no fire. That's a number one. Nobody now get me take up no gas and catch no fire. Me now try that. I'll use the cursing now, but I'm showing you that with my expertise, me know so me can catch it without the something. So may I leave it there for catch up. Yeah? And when it catch up, me come back. Remember red pea soup and bitters? Rice bitters. So no comment and tell me if you like rice bitters. Me say this is going to be one piece of toriak. Me not like it, you know. But it's good. It's too bitter. Rice bitters and globosol are the worst bitters for me. But me going to boil some rice bitters. So, me catch you in the next clip. So, that come right up on it. So, look here. Carry it over upon them and seed. I don't know if you know that. The fire have a heart down in there. When I fan it, you will see. I hope you can pick it up. Down to the core. You see how far I started the fire from. This can't out again. There's no way this can't out again. And you don't smell no toxin. You see that? The fire have a heart. You see the blazing in it. You see it red down in there? And it has a heart. That means it has something for holy. So this can't out again. So, Parry, next clip. Alright, Parry, you see it? So, me tell you about the art. When you have the fire catch from way down in at the bottom, you did see how me do it. Fire ready now? Yeah, so them look a long time use and left here. Now at the time to put it on the fire, it bringle to you know, you can't see it. You see it, Dad? Yeah. Yeah, man, fire ready, man. So, all people when they come at town can live amongst people, and when me come at the yard, you know, Parry. And I look, when they see me coming and me do all of them, I don't okay, you know. And then say, if you go catch fire and sitting and say, go and go catch it cool. They have little cursing and I talk about, hear them now? A country girl, you come about, you come on and go a country. Not done me cursing, Nile. You have to go, they go catch that. Yeah, because like them say, oh, you know, look here, when you see people, glory, and you don't know their story, don't say anything. You don't know where people are coming from. Anyway, enough of that. So, me go find some rice bitters. Yeah, me go wash it off and put it for quail. I'm going to find some Guinean wheat, but me not put them together, you know. So this are the good old Guinean wheat, let me show you it. The Guinean wheat, they must spring up for them time of year now, they enough. I boil some Guinean wheat, but me I put it there so for quail, see it? You must dig up the Guinean wheat with the root, or else it not used to. See the quail, I go wash this and make it quail. So anyway, I put on my pig's tail. When you see me the next day, I scald off my pig's tail. My peas are soaked from probably about 3 o'clock this morning. And then I am going to put my pigtail and my peas to do a little slow cooking. So the sun out and we out here. If I have to finish this video with some subtitles, please see and enjoy. I'll do my best because we're on the outside and sometimes music start playing. Today Friday, today a party day, you know, music will start playing. So look here, just stick and stay. And if as we go on, you see a subtitle, just watch, like, subscribe and share the video them. So this is the good old, what is the name again, D?
Rice bitters.
Lord Jesus, the rice bitters, Parry, he good in about girlfriend that eat it, girlfriend that eat it. But me I want it, I go see it, yes. So next clip. Alright, Parry, you see me fire do. So my pigtail in there, I start it, I have it a soak, wash off it, I have it a soak about 4 hours now. No? So I just scald it off one time, so. And then I put it on my peas for slow cook. So I'm not going to pressure it today. Alright? Parry the peas. Garlic and pigtail in there take time cook. Fire kind of high, but that's okay. Sun kind of come up back. Okay, Parry. Why? Peas are going here. How long me have the peas here cook? Me I throw some cold water pan it, see? You see it? Alright, so pigtail. I'll get some cold water on this and pep up the coal. Yeah. Now put no whole pot of food in. That's in the plant to take in wash out. But through red pea soup. So look here. I don't know how you do it if you take wash out. So you might have wonder why me I gonna make rice bitters. Me I make some bitters a long time, I don't drink no bitters. But me, when my body like me feel like somebody want to flush out, I flush out myself first and then after me drink my bitters. You know, bit up back my blood. So maybe you're wondering why long time I drink it and I'm afraid of it, but I prefer heat. It more, you know, work faster for me. So maybe catching at the next week. Is the coconut there? That I gotta deal with the coconut for me. You say, Parry, this sun out here like say, I'll rain that Joe down, you know. I put in some dumpling. I could come in the dumpling, yeah, but to me it's not so much of a caramel dumpling, no man. I tell you. It's a cocoa, caramel dumpling, dasheen, even though I'm a country girl. I don't buy them something in the market. I don't like caramel dumpling, I just make it to mix it, but for true dad we eat, yeah, I don't really eat the plain flour, but I prefer like banana dumpling and cassava dumpling, wow, carrot, green plantain dumpling, but I don't really like caramel dumpling. Oh, I see some people can big up caramel dumpling, it's not fun at it. But for this red pea soup, yeah, when I did I eat plain flour, I put in, but I don't bother with that again. I asked Dad, I want to go and put in whole wheat. He said, I don't want no whole wheat. Lord have mercy, life has become so challenging for cook. So I make my pinners them. My mother called pinners. So dumplings are going in. I have a sweet potato, a little piece of yam. I have coconut milk. And I put in my pimento seeds, scallion and thyme. The pepper them in the freezer. Did you all know that? Like you just catch it after it go in the freezer when you come back out in a piping. So again, did you know that? That the coolness from the freezer. Did you know that? So I think Missy Cobb wash the pepper them and freeze them. So I'm gonna look 1 minute if I find a ripe one. But that's what I'm doing right now. And the sun out in all its glory. So when you catch me back again, you'll see where we are at. See there? You want some more? I put in the coconut milk now. I'm gonna get a little more water because you know the peas and the pigtail down there. And Dad saying wanting pigtail cooked soft. Lord have mercy. Dad, you know you want too much things there right now. Too much things where they can't manage. That has become so unbearable. Dad want him a laugh, Barry. Rather God. Wait. Me I go on up with them spinach and the sun for me. Because vitamin D. So I catch you. So I go on to my Guinean weed. I have to take the rice bitters out of the sun because too much sun did catch it. Foolishness at that, but when time you put bush in the sun and see no go so. Everybody just want to say one different thing, but to each of us are one. Any bush me broke me I put in the sun make it quail out liquid. I don't say I gonna make it stay in there and burn out. You get me? I say Dad?
Yeah,
but now I say when you broke bush, you know, for just use it, lift it up and broke, and because some of them are sound like a poison thing in there where you have to make. Just like cassava, like bitter cassava. Sweet cassava you can try it, but bitter cassava you can grate it and use the same time. Sweet cassava you can. And even though sweet cassava, when my mother use it, she grate it and wring it out, and she and make it stay even half an hour before she take it mix dumpling.
Hear it out.
Yeah, hear it out. Make it get this something good. The Guinean weed out around them also. So the rice bitters it round there, so watch me parry. See how me eyes it? Afraid I yeah, but it good. Next clip. Alright, parry, so that pizza ain't not so hot, you know. So comment and tell me what I go on. I put in the last piece of coal. That take a little body, look a bit, yeah. So whenever I start seeing the inside, I deal with something. So after this finish, I wash my rice bitters already. I eat next. That's why you say you like your pigtail when they're soft. Eh? Yeah. Last of the coal, all different type of coal, I mix up with the coal with all kind. You see peas? I'm not telling a lie, you know. I don't know where the peas here come from. Honestly, I don't. That one, it's a bubble. It's a bubble, it's a bubble, it's a bubble. I'm playing a pass. Take a look at body. So finished, guys. So guess what? I never get fish showing it, but I show it on the inside. I take it off and carry. Because that in the album, in my record and in the album, I do all kind of something. So we made it. So rice bitters in there, you know. Show them the rice bitters, you know. That not something ramp, you know. They said that they not drink none. Hey, Parry, look here. I make that see the sand boil and I leave it overnight. So you know this video not gonna finish till the next day. Because I'll show it to you. In the morning, I have to boil and stay overnight and cool and proper. And let me show you it go. Dad said no. Okay guys, I'm on the inside now. You can see I pour so we cook pan in there. You see that? Yeah. Okay, so this I'm a soup. I say it overcook. But look here, I sit down make it rest. But you don't know for some reason the peas here look like bad breed peas. I know today the peas here are soaking, you know. But and the potato then look like the color come and show. But nevertheless, I'm gonna show some soup for Dad and then myself in the next clip. See it here? When me and dish me and show. But honestly, I didn't see this peas look like that. We never used another peas here before, Dad?
No.
Mr. Nosa, this a peas here like adopted them from the peas. I had this peas, I soaked this peas from about 12 hours ago. This peas here I traveling. I soak it and it soak and came out good, but the cooking of it, I can't understand. I don't understand. I have it as say a good peas, but look like one of the GMO peas are same thing where me I run from. But look here, I got dish out a bowl, a soup for Dad, and then something for myself. I don't know if my kids want soup. I don't know, but I'm gonna get Dad's soup out and me I go drink a cup. So I'll catch you in the next clip. Dishing out some dinner for my little Dad right now. Yeah. I saw him love in pig's tail. Me never did know that till recently. So you know, so me don't know this man then. He tell me say there be a son me love my pig's tail cook. I would him cook something that the pig's tail soft out. And he tell me say I saw him like the pig's tail he cooked till it soft out. So I said I wish me did there all along, me just I hear that the story. Him say yes. I mean I tell him that look up pinners them look good. But I'm not really good at making pinners in a Parry. You know family look. You know what? Make this go in for me. I mean I want this get in a feel. See the pepper. So I'm show no pinners them, yeah. So pinners say look. I mean I really get them like that all the while, you know. So sister, me they go inside, go do chat and sitting. Oh, the pepper rude, you smell it? Papa Jesus. Family are cover finish. Me not think him want no more food. That these days, maybe when he taking wash out. So see the soup there? Soup is coming. I feel like you give me too much but that's something then here. I think him put back one eye dumpling, it just end up come up in the something. And me I got this some for myself. So that's Dad's soup. Him favorite soup that in a baby. I ramp with him and that, you know. So and the soup dry out and the peas them. I mean look on the peas. Me no know I want at first open the bag of peas here. Me no know if you never get another type of peas here. Me say so I have to take time with the pig's tail, so I should have given this more. Yeah. And then if the kids them want, then can come. Because I asked Miss Cobb and she said, I'm not telling a lie. The red pea soup here Wukless. So I can't comment and tell me I Wukless soup. This me know, not tell me. Because I know, so I know something. Wukless soup with the peas, man. God. What happened? No, so that one you hold me family. Yeah. Put in my nice coconut milk and sitting. I have to leave pig's tail for Gerardo. Him come saka. You know, I got to take out fair one before him come.
I take it out and put it.
Yes, sis, can we take out the whole of you would take out the whole of the red day.
And if I don't get in pixel, it's not really a big deal to me.
Since when?
No.
Just more want it.
Just the soup.
Potato, the most of the soup you want. You don't want no pie man something that must be sweet potato. Yeah, I don't want them no more dumpling. Yeah, I'm gonna take out ears. Next clip, fam. Family, I'm not telling a lie. Look here. The red peas, irregular plan, but trust me, the soup, it's awesome. It's amazing. Look at this. It looks like a mixed peas. Yeah. Look at it. Look at it, family. It's mixed peas. You see that? Look at it. You see it, Cobb? Mixed peas. Some darker than some. Yeah. Set up wickedness them. Wow, it's beautiful though. It's beautiful. Look at this awesomeness. Look at it. Coconut milk attack in it, you know. Wow. We're not eat with an eye. Next clip. Another summer here, let me tell you. All who can go up on the outside, go outside, go cook your red pea soup. Yeah, it's really, even though the peas, look at this, look at this. It's gonna make we just forget about the peas. As it done gone bad already. Look at the cans, look at the soup. Look at this. Oh my God, it's so smooth and the cold stove flavor, it's to die for. Next clip. Alright guys, family. See rice bitters, you see it? So it's that it get green. By a morning I saw it turn dark. So it's in under the low fire and I steep down. Yep. So family, it is the next day and this is our rice bitters. I want to strain it off to let you see. Lord have mercy. Anybody want bitters for trust? Jesus help us. Oh, mercy. Jesus. Look at the color. Show them the color, Dad. Mercy. If you don't want bitters for trust, you don't know where to find me. Lord have mercy. This is how it looks dark. I don't know, some people boil it stronger. I can't manage it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sterilize it now. And sterilize a bottle, get it in a bottle. Mind you, you've got to refrigerate it. It goes bad really fast. So you have to put it in the fridge. Merciful. You know, when time is bitter, when you put it in the fridge and throw it out and I drink it cool. No, you can't. I just got to let it, when I throw out mine, I just got to let it... Just gotta let it come back to room temperature. It's too terrible when it's coming from the fridge. So I know you're gonna say, Debbie, you're not gonna make me see, you're not gonna make me see your drinks of me. Yes, I am gonna let you see. But I'll let you see on the Jerry's Jamaican family channel. So this is it again. So if you want bitter citrus, credit or buy, you know where to find me. Jesus. You know, I'm just joking. I'm just showing you what it is. You know, some people take some little things. Hell, is this about donating? When I say to trust, credit, or buy, you know, I'm just making a little joke. Because, you know, some people, I don't know what they really are or what they stand for. And I don't want to get into that. So, it's a new month. So, welcome to another new month. And if it was, the past month was very challenging, just continue to be strong. Just continue to hold fast. Just continue to be who you are. Believe in yourself. Continue believing in yourself. Continue being who you are. Forget about people. I know some of us have been so ridiculed by other people, but forget about people. Let them be who they want to be. You be who you are. And just try to be very, very keen on who you let into your space. Don't let people use you anymore. You know, you have some people, when their so-called friends are around or come by, their so-called friends and associates, you're the very last person for them to remember, to give a call or to say anything. But the moment their so-called friends and associates are not any around, you are the very first one for them to remember. Why? Because they need an encouragement, they need an upliftment. But with their so-called friends and associates, they wouldn't get that. But you know, they were caught up in the moment with them. But they don't remember that their problems still exist and they needed the lift. No. But as soon as they are gone, you're the ones that they reach out to. Opportunists, users. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. Continue to believe in yourself. Remember to like the videos. Remember to share out the videos. Remember to leave me a comment below. Let's interact. Okay? And remember to turn your post notification on. We'll be dropping some city content on the Jamaican Debbie Deb streams, because sometimes I am strapped for time to get to St. Mary to do stuff, because as I said before, I've got a lot going on. I've got to be looking about myself, you know. You're an adult, you don't have mother and father anymore. You got to be looking about what's good for you. That's what you want to say.
Yes, happy new month, and I wish you all the best for the month.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.